You want to know what's some stupid mess? Get home from work and the freaking window won't go up because the freaking motor fried or whatever. I don't even know. So I took the freaking bolts out of the motor. Was able to forcefully move the armature, because you can see in there, like, the armature is in there and everything. It's not just a separate motor. The whole dang thing is just a cover for the actual motor armature. So that's great. So now what I'm having to do is, like, push up on the window track, or yeah, the window track itself. And I've got my multimeter over here, just connecting it to that blue wire right there. If I can't see, yeah. And then it's like it goes up just a tiny bit, and I can push the window up just a tiny bit more. I tell you, it's a harrowing way to put this freaking window up. Oh, now it's not going to do anything because the motor needs to be moved again. I got to hold it in place while I'm hitting the dang switch. I don't think my phone's going to stay here. Oh, it actually is. Well, maybe not. This thing is not exactly solid. Yep. And I can push the window up again. It kind of pulls the motor up. I don't know why, but it does. So now I can actually put... the phone won't stay. Almost there. Getting there just a little bit at a time. Freaking annoying truck. Tell you what. Stupid truck.